Hey team, we've got this purple and white painting today, and let's get it going. So this is the first layer. I plan on doing a couple more on this one. It's kind of interesting. This is created for a performance I'm doing on September 3rd in Dallas. So if you guys are here, I'll be posting more information on my story soon about that. But I'm getting the textural underlayers done here, and it should be pretty cool. This painting will be black when it's done. So this is just, I'm adding texture here, so it's like a little bit more interesting. And I'll be painting it live on this drop cloth actually. And so the other reason I'm doing this is because I'm testing out to see if this drop cloth is big enough for what I want to do. We'll see how that goes. I think it'll be perfect, but we shall find out in a minute. I really like this pattern. I'm gonna let this roll for a while. I just like how it comes in so perfectly. I'm not really a purple guy, but like this looks nice. I'm curious if it'll read purple in the actual video, but we'll find out. It might look black. I just realized I have headphones on, whatever. But yeah, okay, this is so mesmerizing. Maybe I'll just keep this. I love this pattern. This is my favorite one because it comes in perfectly circular. There's no really thick, I mean there's some thickness here, but it's not like crazy thick. You definitely have to pull it sooner rather than later. You're gonna get this fat band in there, but I think this is just gonna go deeper and deeper because this is pretty spread out here. So I think this is gonna roll for a good amount of time. I may just keep this as is. We shall find out in a second. Man, I can't wait for y'all to see the top-down view of this. It is mesmerizing. My eyes are just like, oh, you guys can't see me. My eyes are just, it's like kind of shaky almost. Like, you know, when something like is such fine lines that your eyes kind of go like, ooh, that's kind of what's happening here. Super cool though. Okay, I think I'm gonna pull it here. Grab it in the spot over here. Ready, go. Nice. Let's do one more. Why not, right? Perfect. This is just for texture, so it doesn't really matter, but might as well. I'm kind of testing to see if this drop cloth's gonna be big enough. And for what I'm seeing, it looks perfect. It's not too big. I'm gonna put some plastic around it just in case because it is a little small for what I'm doing. But yeah, this is solid. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, this is so good, what the heck? I love how when I feel like this is just life in general. When you don't take it seriously and you just have fun with it, it looks so much better every time. That's always the case, I feel like. So, and this one's turning out amazing. Holy crap. Holy heck. I don't like to say bad words on my videos. I mean, I'm an adult, I swear a little bit, but I know that little kids watch this and they have a good time, so I want to make this as family friendly as possible. So, are you heckin' cereal? Okay. Holy crap, that's so cool. Once this, yeah, I like when all of my lines, the whole wavelength is on the canvas. So if you see there's a little bit of not on there, that's not on there, whatever. We're still not there yet. We're really close. Probably like 4 more swings. I want to pull it quickly though. Okay. Ready? All right. Go. Nice. All right. Last thing is I want to get one big one. Just get a little bit more line work, kind of contrast. I probably shouldn't have done this, but whatever. It's really thin lines, so it shouldn't make a big difference. I don't want a ton here. I just wanted to fill in this space with a little, keep some negative space, but don't go too crazy with it. All right. Okay. There we go.